Thank you guys for watching the video. I know that all the car lovers would love to watch that video obviously, and I know that all of you guys would love to learn how did I do those such kind of videos. So everyone used to say that using such premium applications such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut X Pro, or Adobe After Effects would help you to do such kind of high resolution videos. Yes, of course, those video editing apps are so premium, and it takes so much to learn the editing techniques in those applications. I did it by using a simple method, a basic method, by using an Android phone and an Android editing app such as Kinemaster. So today I'm going to teach you a Kinemaster tutorial basically, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to edit videos according to the beats of a music. So this will be today's tutorial. Without wasting time, let's go and learn it out. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you guys can see my new videos as soon as I post. Please do subscribe. So guys, now I'm going to teach you how did I do that video which I showed you right now. So this is a part 1 of Kinemaster tutorial. Let me open the Kinemaster application right now. Now I'm going to tap new project, select the 16:9 ratio aspect. The first thing I'm gonna do that, tap on media button, select the clippings and videos of my choice. Now I'm gonna show you the car video, so I'm gonna click on the car clippings right now. For the intro part, I'm gonna select seashore video, next a car video, then another one, another one, another one, another one, again. Now for the outro part, I'm gonna select the seashore video. The next thing is that I'm gonna add an audio file to this. For that, I'm gonna select our audio file. So this is the audio file. I'm just gonna add it down. The next step is a very important part of this video. For that, I'm gonna listen to the audio correctly like this. So I'm gonna leave a mark there for the intro part. Another one, another one, another one, another one here, another one, another one. So this is almost done. So guys, what I have done right now is that marking on the audio file. So I'm gonna listen to the audio file perfectly and clearly, then I'm gonna mark according to the beats. If there is a snare sound or a bass sound or a upbeat or a low beat, I'm gonna mark that point, and I'm gonna trim the video to that point. So I'm gonna trim this intro part to this blue marking. So the next part will begin from this blue mark right there. So let me tap here. So I'm gonna cut it, trim to left of the playhead, so you guys can see that. So guys, what I have done right now, I have trimmed all the clippings according to the same step, same way which I did right front of this. This thing is all about selection, guys. So I have selected the clippings according to my choice, according to my taste. So I have obviously selected car clippings and video about cars itself, then audio which sounds which have a more bass or more beats kind of thing, something electronic and all those stuffs. For this I have done in a proper manner. So the cutting and trimming is very important, and one more important thing is that we have to include the videos, we have to fill the gaps with the correct sections of the videos. That's the more important thing. So guys, the I have followed the same steps till the end, and in the end what I have done is that the outro in a beach format, beach seashore format. Then here comes the ending with the sleek ending, and yeah, close up. That's all. And guys, one of the most important thing is that uh, this video how I edited, it has a very simple pattern that everyone can follow. First we have to listen to the audio file, then we are going to trim the videos according to the audio, according to the beats or according to the markings what we have set up. That's all guys, it's very simple. Do try it. It's really very simple. I have given it so many, like I have tried 5 times and finally got this video out. And everyone can try this, and do subscribe to my channel, give a comments, share it if you like. And if you really like to learn this kind of things, please do subscribe and share to your friends so that they can also learn this. Thank you guys. So guys, at last I forgot to tell you that about exporting. It's very simple. You just tap on the share button. You just tap on the share button and tap on export. That's all guys. Thank you.